With IBEX's focus of bringing you lightweight, compact, and mid-size floor plans, one space we know that you don't want to compromise is your sleeping area. All IBEX floor plans are going to offer you a true 60 by 80 queen residential size. That gives you so many benefits. First off, you've obviously got plenty of space to stretch out, where you see so many different brands coming to narrow and short beds that your feet are hanging off. With IBEX, you can fully stretch out and be comfortable. Along with that, it's as simple as going to the store and finding sheets that fit. With some of these odd sizes you're finding in travel trailers, it's very difficult to find different sheets and bedding that fit appropriately. With IBEX, that's not a concern, as it's a standard size. Along with that, you've got a Murphy bed system in many of our floor plans that's easy to set up. It's as simple as folding the couch down and one latch. When our bed is in the down position, you see a very comfortable space back here with cubbies on both sides. You've got 110 and USBs on both sides as well. So whether you're charging your phone or running a CPAP machine, you've got plenty of places to plug in and plenty of storage on both sides.